341.
I can now.
Joy 99.7 FM here in Accra. Also on Love 99.5 FM in Kumasi. Affiliates across Ghana, including Kekeli Radio in Mo, Sky FM in Takoradi, and A1 Radio in Tiger. Also, you can download my app from the Play Store and App Store to listen live on the internet in this edition.
Somehow we have to find a way to share the bill. We can't borrow anymore. We borrow to the hilt. So what we have to do, we have to look at the revenue side of the equation, and that's why we're looking at compliance.
We can't borrow anymore. We have to share the burden. Government in Ghanaians as it introduces new taxes, which some have rejected, insisting it will impact negatively on their finances and increase their hardship.
Not food.
Meanwhile, government risks a shutdown as the minority in parliament contemplates rejection of the 2021 budget with far-reaching consequences.
Our oversight responsibilities as members of parliament will not be waived because there is fiscal cliff looming. Even if it requires that the state will have to go on a fiscal cliff for 2 months before the budget is properly scrutinized and approved, I think we have to do that.
Also in this package, the controversy over textbooks said to contain bigoted content rages. The publishers say they have recalled the book as it emerges they have not been approved.
It's the book we worked on, and we have decided to take those books off the shelf. When we send the book, NACAP also gave us a pending approval notice, and that they have given us a period to work with, and that we are working on.
We'll hear from the publishers as Parliament is asked to intervene in the matter. In our Ghana Man series today, Komfuase, a monument which holds a special place in the hearts of residents in the Western Regional Capital, Takoradi.
This is a symbol to show the tradition of the Ashantis, especially that we don't dance Abwa, we don't dance Bobo, we dance Kundu.
And in sports,
from Lagos City's head coach Bashir Hayford on why striker Asamoah Gyan has been missing in action.
And later in the bulletin,
and the Grammy goes to twice as tall, Burna Boy.
Big wins for Nigeria's Burna Boy and Wizkid at the Grammys, but it sparked a possible feud between two major Ghanaian artists. Stay with me for details and more here on the Midday News with me, Emefa Apao.